Okay, so let's have a look at exercise 14, simple assembly design tables. So if you look at this, when we kind of start, this is kind of free to move, so we need to add a little distance mate in this. So let's go to my standard mate and select the two inside faces on that, and using this little distance option, and we can enter in a figure of 1.5 in here, and click OK. And that locks that into position, into that 1.5 distance. Okay, so before I go in and any further, I need to just turn on my Instant 3D. You'll see why I'll turn on Instant 3D in a second when we go to create a configuration and that. So if I just right click and add a configuration, and we call this one, it's called set 1.0, and click OK. And if I do a design table, click OK. And we can kind of start looking at configuring these. So I'm going to delete those two rows. I really kind of need them that much. What I need is to look at the mate. So I'm going to kind of have the mate variable in this. And because I've got the Instant 3D turned on, you can actually see this D1 at distance 1, which can kind of be popped in there. Okay, so you need that Instant 3D turned on to be able to see that particular dimension. So this set 1 is going to be 1.0, and we leave our default at that. So need to create a few more configurations. What do we need? 1.8. Oops. Not maybe that many. There we go. Down a little. Over a little. So you can see we got our 1.0 set up 1, and this one's going to be 1.1, 1.2, and let's see if we can kind of do that. So once you get two of them, you can actually just copy them just down like so. Okay. So if I just click outside the box there, and it generates design table, generated following configurations 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click OK on that. And here we go, and then hopefully we kind of see that we've got our different distances and different settings for that. Okay. So go back to the default one, and we're going to create another configuration. Add a configuration, we call this one screw. And click OK on that. This one's now current. And what we have to do is we have to suppress the actual mate in this one. So in this option then, that distance mate we need to suppress on that. So if I can right click, I can suppress that distance mate to allow this to slide up and down again. And if we just insert a mechanical mate, this one called screw, and we're not asked for any particular revolutions. We leave it at sort of that size as it is, and then to select our mate selection and just clear that. I see that an edge pick there on that. So what we need to pick is the round, if you like, surface of that. And again, if we do what we did before, select other, just to go through and see and select that inside face of that. And we can again reverse the direction and click OK on that. OK again, and then you see as we kind of move that kind of gives the appearance of moving on a thread on that. Okay, so we can kind of spin that, or we can kind of move this, and that creates that. Okay, so that's that little part complete.